Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll walk you through how to set up iPhone for productivity. Here's how to set up iPhone for productivity. First, update iOS. Go to the Settings app, General, Software Update, and install the latest version. Remove unused apps. Press and hold an app, tap Remove App, or Delete App. Organize the home screen. Keep only essential apps on the first page. Create app folders. Drag apps together and name folders. For example, is work, finance, social, etc. Use a clean wallpaper. Choose a simple or dark wallpaper to reduce distraction. Enable focus mode. Go to Settings app, Focus, create the work or personal focus by tapping the plus button. Schedule Do Not Disturb. Go to Settings again, Focus, tap Do Not Disturb, then set Schedule. Control Notifications. Go to Settings again, Notifications, Scheduled Summary, and enable it. Use calendar and reminders. Add tasks, deadlines, and alerts. Enable Siri for hands-free tasks. Go to Settings, Siri and search. Turn on Listen for or Hey Siri or Apple Intelligence. Use notes with folders. Organize notes by project or topic. Enable background app refresh wisely. Settings again, General, background app refresh, limit to essentials. Use widgets. Add calendar, reminders, or battery widgets to the home screen. Optimize battery settings. Go to Settings again, Battery, Charging, enable optimized charging. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.